Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating an AirTm account. It is an online platform that allows you to send, receive, and exchange digital currency and traditional money. Visit the AirTm website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.airtm.com in the address bar. Press Enter. Sign up. On the AirTm homepage, you'll see a Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click on it. Host, Step 3, choose your account type. AirTm offers two account types, personal and business. For most individuals, a personal account will suffice. Click on the personal option. Fill in your details. AirTm requires some basic information to create your account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and click on the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then, click Create Account. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, you'll be directed to your AirTm account dashboard. To increase your account security and complete your profile, click on the Complete Profile button. Start using AirTm. Congratulations! You've successfully created your AirTm account. Now you can start sending, receiving, and exchanging funds using the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you create your AirTm account. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications for more helpful content.